Okay, so we've created categories, we've learned how to change the name of a category and the slug and added or have creating child categories for parent categories, but what's the use of having a category if you've got nothing to do with it? So let's go into posts in your WordPress dashboard. Okay, so you can see here I've got a few different posts here, but we're not going to worry about those. Let's just go and add a new one. So click on add new. Now look at this down here. Now you've got your category 1, your category 2, and your child category that we created 3. Now what will happen is when you tick on that, or check that if you're American, it will automatically allocate it to category 1 as well. So it sort of sticks it under that sort of heading. Okay, so let's just do it under category subcategory 3 and see what happens. So okay, so exactly the same as what you do for a post. Once you've typed in your heading and your text, you just publish your page. And obviously you need to have chosen your category as well. Otherwise it will stick it in the latest news category, which is your default. Okay. If we go into here, you're going to see my latest post is right at the top. Okay, now we'll just click on that. And you can see here that it's posted it in subcategory 3. And as you can see, it's automatically allocated it to category 1 as well as category 3 because 3 comes under category 1. God, I hope I'm making sense. Okay, so that's how that works. Now, one thing that I haven't done is set up my permalinks, so just bear with me. I'm just going to pause this for a minute while I go and fix that because it's really important that you understand the importance of how these categories work. Okay, I'm back. It would really help if I was actually organised on occasion, wouldn't it? Okay, let's put something in category 2. And you know, you can actually choose all 3 if they relate, like if it's relevant, okay? Now, okay. So you've got your category 2. Now look what it's done here, because I've fixed my permalinks. If you wanted to send someone to this exact post, not just your website itself, you can see here that this automatically creates what we call a permalink, which is the link to your blog post. So you've got your URL, then you've got your category name. This is why your categories are so important and should incorporate your keywords. And then you've got the actual name of the post with the little hyphens and lowercase text. Okay, now you can go in and change that if you wish. The only time I would ever change it is if I have called it something, it's created the permalink, and then I've decided to change my heading and I want it to match. So you just go in, click on edit, and go in and change it. Just make sure you put your hyphens in there and keep it lowercase. Okay, so we'll publish this post. And I'm going to show you what I mean by this permalink thing in a minute. When it eventually saves. Okay, so go back to our home page. And category 2, it's under category 2 here. Ta-da! Okay, so there it is. Now, one other thing you can do is, again, adding pictures. Click on that. To add video, click on that one. To add some audio, click on that one. And to add other media, click on that one. So the biggest one I use is adding an image. Now, what if, for example, you wanted to post a YouTube video or something on your website? Well, if you do, you just go to one of my other tutorials on YouTube and you will see how to do it. So there you go. So that's posts and pages for you.